do you want to do?
Up in the air.
But can you please stay away from Surya when you do that?
Yeah. I do it.
I did it.
I did it.
I did it. I did it. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Yeah.
Hey.
No. Don't see the water.
Can you put those rackets away, please? Can you put those rackets away, Nana?
Why?
Uttugnera for no reason. It's time to go to bed.
No. I don't want to go to bed.
But it's night.
No. I still want to play.
You want to play? You cannot play all night long.
I want to play with hands. Oh, yes.
Hello.
I was able to get everything I could get. When I was smaller, I was not able to play with all. I need her.
Mallika?
I don't want cheese. I want this. I want this to be here like a cheese. She's a baby, Amma.
Rakanna. And what are you? Are you a boy? Big one or a little one?
I'm big one. I'm bigger to fit in this.
That's for babies, huh? If you can fit in there, then you're a baby.
I'm not a baby. I'm a big boy. So you're the baby. I'm a big boy.
Good job.
I'm able to fit inside, but I'm not a baby.
Good job. You're able to fit in there, but you're not a small boy. You're not a small baby. You're a big boy.
Say the baby.
Yes.